MindTracer Reasoning Lab, it looks beyond whether an answer is right or wrong and focuses on how the learner was thinking. Two students may make the same mistake on paper but need very different support. MindTrace turns that difference into a learning path, diagnose, verify, intervene, and check independent transfer. This is the judge demo. The system starts with one problem and two learners who both uncertain. MindTrace intentionally delays the correct answer because the goal is to inspect reasoning before giving help. The same reason is not treated as the same diagnosis. MindTrace looks for evidence that the learners may be using different mental models. One learner may misunderstand the pattern through consecutive change, while another may use a direct multiplication shortcut. After that, the system verifies the hypothesis with targeted questions. We give the smallest useful interventions and check the transfer to see whether the learner can use the concept independently. This is the learner facing workspace. The learner does not only submit an answer, they also explain their thinking and confidence. MindTrace uses that reasoning evidence to decide what to verify next. The coach panel gives guidance without immediately giving away the answer, and the bottom progress path shows the journey from understanding the problem to retry, transfer, and review. This page explains the architecture. MindTrace uses AI flexibility for language understanding and support wording, but the learning system controls the important boundaries, concept IDs, verification, hint levels, retry analysis, rubrics, and transfer checks. That means the model can propose, but the product still verifies and governs the learning flow. The workflow is intentionally structured: learner input, reasoning, extraction, misconception, retrieval, hypothesis ranking, verification, intervention, retry, and transfer evidence. The current version is incomplete by design. The core learner flow dataset, session API, and deterministic fallback are implemented, while live OpenAI and PostgreSQL services remain optional for review. This is our GitHub repository where the full MindTrace project is available. The README includes step-by-step setup, instructions, required environment variable, test commands, current implementation status, known limitation, and an explanation of how Codex was used throughout development. This is also our main development environment. It first discussed the product concept, learning flow, technical decision, and user experience with ChatGPT. Based on those discussion, I created detailed implementation prompts and used Codex with GPT 5.6 to build and complete the working demo. Codex supported me across the development process, including project setup, architecture, interface implementation, judge mode preparation, testing, documentation, deployment, fixes, and debugging. The final product direction and decision were guided by my own vision, while AI helped me turn that vision into a functional prototype. Thank you.